Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's the end of an era as we have something that probably was hated as a Windows version, um, and it still was lurking around, believe it or not, and it's Windows Vista. And the reason why I'm talking about it today is that Windows Server 2008 is going to finally be retired, end of support, and Microsoft does say that there won't be any more updates of any kind done to this Windows Server version. And believe it or not, until just a few years ago, it was still used in a lot of enterprise. So it was based on Windows Vista. Then came out the Windows Server RC2, the release candidate 2. And that Windows Server 2008 RC2 was based more on Windows 7. But it kind of closes a loop of a hated Windows. Funniest thing is I actually loved Windows Vista. And one of the reasons why is what made me understand why I like it and people didn't was that my PCs were always much more powerful than the average people's PC. So when I was going to fix computers, most of the complaint was a very slow PC, and most of the complaints were due to the fact that, yeah, the PC is barely at minimum requirements. So that's why you're slow. And I had PCs that were much more advanced, and Windows Vista was running fine. Plus, it had all sorts of things that were so cool. I remember back in the day, I had a Podge TV card, and that Hauppauge TV card could be used with Windows Vista natively in the media center. And I could watch TV and do some DVR recording shows and stuff, and it was truly amazing. It was the first time that a Windows version was actually really a total media center capable of having, TV and cable and so on. There were a lot of things like that I enjoyed. I hated the Windows updates on Windows Vista, though. Like I hate them on Windows 7, which they're horrible on Windows 7 also. The fact that you have to install all these updates and updates and updates and updates, and it just doesn't if you do a clean install and you don't have an updated image, it's just painful. And but for most people, Windows Vista is one of those Windows versions that, yeah, you want to forget. You really want to forget. But so it's closing the loop, the end, official end of anything that is coded via the Windows Vista, which was actually called the Longhorn. And Vista took a long time also to arrive after Windows XP, and the main reason for that is Microsoft was working on a newer version of Windows that was so advanced they just couldn't pull it off. So they finally scrambled and quickly put together Windows Vista to try to have another version of Windows out as quickly as possible. So bye-bye Windows Vista, and I can say that for probably most people, you won't be missed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.